Hi, my name's Paige.
Hi, my name's Garrett.
Hi, I'm Wesley.
And today we're going to show you how to make a paddle boat for your bathtub. The materials you guys need is a plastic bottle with a lid.
So you grab it.
You have to show them. Duct tape, 2 wooden skewers, same difference. Ruler, scissors, 2 plastic spoons, a rubber band, and a bathtub. Step 1. Lay your bottle on its side and duct tape the wood skewers to the bottle so the skewers are on the opposite sides of the bottle. They should be 6 inches of the skewers sticking past the bottom of the bottle on both sides.
Bring it down. It is down. A little bit.
Why don't you guys measure it, silly?
That's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
Alright.
That's way more than 6 inches.
Number 2, cut off the bowl of the plastic spoons, leaving a 1/2 inch of the spoon handles attached to the bowl.
Ah, dang it.
And then, use a thin piece of duct tape to attach the spoon pieces together by the remaining handle pieces so the one bowl faces up and the other faces down. This will be your boat paddle.
Yeah, there you go.
How's that? Make sure one's this way, or whatever.
Or whatever.
And then you get some duct tape. Hold on.
Wow, you can really dance. You both can dance for so long.
Which one are we using? Where's the other rubber band?
Then you duct tape it together.
Where's that one go?
And then it should look like this.
On my finger.
So one's this way and one's this way. And then the 4th is to stretch the rubber band over the skewer ends from one skewer to the other. 6, test the paddle by twisting it backwards in the rubber band. The rubber band
Whoa.
should wrap around the paddle. When you release it, the paddle should spin. Make any necessary changes to your boat.
Hey, draw the boot. Why is this so long this time?
Once the paddle is properly
You gotta
working,
slide it down.
fill the bathtub with 4 to 5 inches of water, twist up the paddle, and set your boat in the water and see what happens. And it should spin like that, and you got yourself a bathtub paddle boat.